Hey, are your LED tail lights flickering for no reason? Well, this is the video for you. As it happens, I was going to YMCA and there was this gentleman. I noticed that he said my tail light is going out. I was like, what's going on? I just replaced it with the LED. I thought they should be long lasting. I mean, I just replaced it like 7 or 8 months ago. All right, reverse the process, insert it in there until it's lined up. You know when it's lined up because that's when you'll be able to tighten it. See, I'm gonna rotate it clockwise to tighten it. It's locked in place. And you can check to confirm there is. But as it turns out, LED tail light bulbs, or bulbs in general, because they run at a different, use a different current than traditional halogen bulbs, that they tend to flicker with time. So today I am going to try to remove it and put the halogens back and check to see if that solves the issue. So initially I had the halogen bulbs such as these, which I kept, okay, because they were still good. See, it's halogen type of bulbs that you see right there. And what I have right now are the LED bulbs, which I'm going to attempt to remove. First, you have to make sure you remove the truck panel. It's held on by two of these trunk panel pins. All you have to do is remove the tip and then use a screwdriver, flathead to pop it up. All right, so I need to remove this trunk panel. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a panel popper. Basically, you want to insert it in this round hole until you pry it open. And once you get the front out, you can just pull it out. So there's also another one down here. Peel back the trunk panel and then the trunk liner, and then you're gonna be able to see the brake lights. There it is right there. I'm gonna use a piece of paper. You simply rotate it, I believe it's counterclockwise on this side to loosen it, and there's the bulb, the halogen bulb. So it's very easy. So now I'm going to remove it. What I have to do is unscrew it, or should I say rotate it clockwise. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Rotate this the counterclockwise direction to remove it. See, here are the halogen bulbs. And to remove that, it's very easy. You just have to pull it. It might be easier with a glove. All right, there you have it. So comparing the two, I don't recommend holding the bulb with your naked hand because it has oil. So here's comparison between the two. All right. So now I'm gonna put the halogen back in. So there, use the same type of ends. All you have to do is pop it in like that and put it in here. And it's the whole cutout is these three tabs right here. So you just line it up and then rotate it clockwise until it's in taut. You know when it's lined up because that's when you'll be able to tighten it. See, I'm gonna rotate it clockwise to tighten it. It's locked in place. Now it's in tight. See how that's lined up? Right there, that looks good. Now we're gonna test it out. Make sure it's not flickering. Hey, that looks good. Let's hit another one. Couple of quick ones. All right, so it looks like that works. So if you guys ever have the flickering issue with LED bulbs, just keep in mind that it's because of the amperage difference in power consumption. So you can always switch back between the halogen or the LED bulbs.